In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Contact Us form to your Squarespace website. If you want to make it easy for visitors to reach out to you, adding a contact form is one of the simplest and most effective things you can do. Squarespace makes this process very straightforward, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to insert the form and customize the main parts so it fits your site better. To begin, go to the section of your Squarespace page where you want the contact form to appear. Once you're there, click on Add Block. This is where you can insert new content elements into the page, including forms, text, images, and more. After the block menu opens, choose Form. As soon as you click it, Squarespace will place a form block onto the page. Next, look for the pencil icon on the form block and click it. This opens the form settings, which is where you'll make your edits and customize how the form looks and functions. One of the first things you can update here is the form name. Edit the form name so it clearly matches the purpose of the form, such as a general contact form for your website. This is helpful for organization, especially if you plan to use multiple forms across different pages. After that, click on Edit Form Fields. This is where you can review the fields currently included in the form and decide whether they match the information you want to collect from visitors. If you need additional fields, click Add Field. This gives you the option to expand the form based on your needs. For example, you may want to collect extra details to better understand inquiries before responding. Just remember that keeping forms clear and easy to complete can help improve submission rates, so only include what's truly necessary. Once your fields look good, move on to the button text. Edit the button text so it says exactly what you want visitors to see when they submit the form. This could be something simple and direct, and changing it can make the form feel more polished and aligned with your website's tone. After making these updates, take a moment to review everything for clarity and consistency. Make sure the form name, fields, and button text all work together and feel easy for visitors to understand. And that's it. Your Squarespace Contact Us form is now added and customized.